Today we have a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is entitled Ex-Girlfriend Goes Berserk After Getting Caught Breaking In Again.
On April 7th, 2025, in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, Officer Evan was dispatched after a male party reported his ex-girlfriend Haley attempting to break into his residence and causing damage to property. Haley was secured by another officer, and the following occurred on Evan's arrival.
You know you can't really have contact with him though, right?
I don't care.
Yeah, but you're putting him at a really big risk too, you know that, right?
I don't care.
Just sit tight for the time being. I would say we're still talking with him. I can go. I'll probably have.
This isn't fair, bro. He was just open mouthed all the time and just walk in, and I never called the cops. I don't care now that we have no contact. You want to call the cops, bro? So I never called the cops on you when you came to my house all the time and would just walk in and scare my roommates. That's weird.
Was there anything else going on today that might concern him beyond you just being here?
No, he's just
Okay. Well, I'm just doing what I gotta do, Haley. That's all.
because I didn't do anything. That stupid thing. Like literally, how are you not in jail? You piece of shit. Literally, good thing you go to jail in 2 weeks, fatty. That's why you're gonna go nowhere in life.
All right. Let's not talk ourselves into jail here. We don't have to, okay? So let's just chill out for a couple minutes. Let us do what we gotta do.
Yeah, take him to jail. What you have to do, like actually.
Okay. I guess I wasn't here talking to you.
I don't understand what happened.
Why does he need to go to jail? Explain it to me.
2 weeks ago.
Well, we're not 2 weeks ago, Haley. We're now. What happened now? Why does he need to go to jail? Tell me.
Because he's a piece of
From past issues with you two or something tonight?
all the above.
Okay, what happened tonight then?
Nothing.
Nothing. See, well, I can't do anything with nothing, Haley.
Oh, I want to get jail to punch the cop in the face. But no, you're going to jail because you are and you women, daddy. Like what the
What was that, Haley?
If he's that much of a lowlife, why would she be wanting to be around him, right? You're going to his house because you want to be around him, but then you're going to turn around and say all these bad things about him. It makes no sense.
What did you say?
No, don't listen to anything that
Hey, Haley, you're
no, because it's all lies, bro. No, it's all lies.
So here's the deal, Haley. I have to ask you a few questions given what was reported to me by the other officer, okay? Are you feeling suicidal today?
Oh my God, exactly.
I have to ask. No.
And if I do, it's because of that. So
Okay,
literally put me in jail, bro.
Haley.
No, I'm sick of this because we go through
Haley,
this
here's the
every
deal.
single month.
Here's the deal.
And you're all like, oh yeah, we're
Here's
gonna
the
put him in
deal.
jail for hitting you because he chipped your tooth and he has a whole felony charge for beating the fuck out of me.
Haley,
and what is
Haley,
he
are
doing?
you gonna listen to me?
Walking free. No, because I don't care because you
Okay.
guys don't do anything.
What's gonna happen today?
No. What?
Can you tell me? Are you gonna go home today?
In his house? Because I don't give a
Okay. Are you gonna go home today?
dude.
Well,
yeah,
if
where else
we
am I
leave,
gonna
if
go?
we leave right now and we just leave you here.
I'm gonna
go.
sit right here because I'm not walking home.
Oh, okay. So you're not gonna go home.
No, I'm gonna sit right here until the morning.
Okay. You're just gonna sit here.
Yeah, I'm not going in his house. And if you think I'm crazy, it's that.
Well, you've gone in this house 3 times today.
3 times? No, I didn't. It was once, and it was literally one time. One time. And guess what? He knew. And if I could show you the text, if my phone wasn't dead. So he wants to tell you all the lies and say that he didn't know I was coming. It's bullshit. The second time I did walk in his house, I did. He didn't know. But the first time, which was only 20 minutes apart, because I literally sat right there for the 20 minutes, and then I went back. So the whole time he knew I was sitting right there. He was looking out his window, looking at me, saying like he always does. So again, it's all lies. It's all lies because he's scared, because he's fighting court cases, because he's a manipulative, a piece of. Look him up on CCAP. You want to look me up on CCAP? There ain't nothing there.
We looked him up on CCAP as well.
Look.
So I'm just so
Send him
confused. If
away.
you
Bye,
feel
bye,
this,
bye,
if you
bye,
feel
bye.
this strongly about him, why are you showing up here?
I came here because I thought my keys were here. Because the Uber dropped me off here, and then all of a sudden my keys were gone. And that's why I can't get into my house. And my keys are just gone. Literally. Gone. And this is where I got dropped off with my keys. So, yes, I did come back. And the first time I did come here, I told him, and he knew that. So he wants to lie, he can keep lying. But I'm admitting that I did walk in his house the second time. 2 times! It was only 2 times!
I guess, why? Like, why did you come back over without telling him?
I just said! Why? My keys! Oh my god!
Hey, stand up, you're going to jail.
Like, okay. I just said, okay.
No, do not put your hands in your pockets.
No,
Haley,
seriously.
stop.
You're not sending me to jail for
We're going to jail.
No,
Haley,
no.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
I literally told you what
Ooh.
Are you okay?
Get off
Right, you get out.
Get off me, please.
Get on the ground.
Get off me.
Why is everything blacked out? Like,
No. Now you're going to jail.
Try to kick in someone's door like he didn't shatter my window and kick my...
Yeah. Whatever charges you have, send to me.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'll
really
look when I
hard.
get home or when I get to the locker.
Okay. So whatever charges you have from that, send to me. I will have DC.
I'll just take it up.
I'm on right now. So
I am too.
Okay.
I'll just take it up with me in case we don't quite make it, but at this point I'd rather just do booking and go for good.
I got you. You know what the charges are, by chance?
DC, criminal trespass to dwelling, battery to Leo, resisting damage to property.
I
think that's it.
damage anything, bro.
Okay. Sounds good.
Damage your property. Go look at everything he's broken in my f***ing house. This is so f***ing ridiculous, bro.
I think we need to wrap it all.
I'll just put it in my trunk just in case I need it if we don't for whatever reason. But I'm just gonna.
I'll throw it in your trunk real quick.
I'll just hold on to it. What does she all have?
Just a hoodie. Yeah.
The phone. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that is. Careful with the hoodie. There's blood on it.
Okay, is it you?
No, it's she was bleeding on her hands.
Okay.
I don't know from what.
Okay.
It doesn't f***ing matter. It's none of your f***ing business. Literally, nothing is any of your guys' business, and it never will literally take me to f***ing jail. Seriously.
Well, I got paperwork to do, Haley, before we can go.
Bro, I will literally get the f*** out of this car right now.
Okay. If you continue, Haley, you're gonna get put in the wrap. All right. Yep, we'll leave her for now. If she busts the window, she'll get more charges. That is what it is. She already took
I'm
her.
gonna talk to her real quick and then
She already took her seatbelt off, so she's just kicking out the window. So we're gonna go for.
No, that's the property back.
Okay, I just pulled up booking when we're here now.
all right, let's get her out.
Jail.
Okay, here.
Come on out.
You don't have to grab me like
Let's go.
that.
We're done.
Me.
Don't grab me.
Get on the ground.
Let me go, because now you're just being racist. Seriously. Seriously, no, dude. Seriously, what the No, bro! No! You cannot! No!
Right behind you. Alright, I'm gonna go.
Hey, just relax.
No, bro! No, relax.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Get the f off of me! No!
All right. You just gotta go in the other. Relax.
I got it.
Okay. Give us a second. We'll get you roll over to your side. We'll roll you over to your side here in just a minute, okay? I need you to relax, though, okay?
Okay, you don't throw my head down.
Well, you're turning your head toward me like you're gonna puke on me, and I ain't gonna
Because I
have
have to puke.
to. Don't do it towards me.
No, I'm not throwing it. Get your head off.
Yeah,
Dude, you are actually doing this for no reason. Get your head off of me.
This way.
Seriously,
Now
what the
relax. Now you can move.
Yeah, I know.
Keep your head
Don't
down.
get your hands off of me, bro. Seriously.
That's not gonna happen.
Okay, I don't care if their hands are on me. They're doing something. You're doing it on purpose. Like, you racist.
Dude, you don't have to be so, not you. Stop. Seriously, bro. Why are you making them tighter for no reason? I wasn't even moving. They were already tired. I cannot feel my wrist, bro. I cannot feel my wrist. I cannot feel my wrist. Oh, oh, stop. Stop. Tell him, please. Seriously, he's tightening it and tightening it.
My goal is
You just keep twisting your wrists. That's the problem.
No, stop.
Haley,
Stop. He keeps tightening that for no reason. I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving. No. No, my wrist is about to snap and have my shoe. Yes, it is. I can feel my. No, I can seriously feel.
How old are you?
Yeah, I would ask my age if you would stop acting like you're about to assault me.
In the car.
Go feet first. Yep.
Can you grab a mechanism?
Oh, sorry. I didn't even hear you.
Alright, we good?
All right, let's do booking now.
Okay.
Haley was then transported and booked into the Winnebago County Jail. Haley was found guilty in court of disorderly conduct, criminal trespass onto a dwelling, and possession of controlled substances. She was sentenced to be held on probation for 2 years and had to pay almost $630 in fines. Please consider showing your support.
Probation. That's how typically these cases end. You know, mostly all these cases end in probation. None happens. You know, it is what it is. Wow. She kept going back to my guy. My guy must be laying it down, boy. She just can't get enough. We gotta salute that brother right there, man. Whoever the boyfriend is, who she keep running back. He doing something right. I'm gonna tell you right now. He doing something right. Anyways, yeah, I get a cop's 5 out of 5, man. They wasn't trying to take her to jail in the beginning, but you know, she brought it upon herself. It is what it is. We want to be yelling, hooting, and hollering, and we ain't got time for all that, man. We're gonna get you together. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.